Bitan is one of the 8 wonders of Taiwan's past. Beautiful scenery is located in Xindian MRT station. Nearby transportation very convenient for people in the Taipei metropolitan area, a good place for leisure holiday travel. Xindian River meandering through the Bitan appear broad and hills. Bitan because the impenetrable clear blue water color claimed as a lake derives its name, suitable for boating, swimming, fishing, and other activities. The scenery is very pleasant. In earlier years, had expansion Yunsan for 10 west bank cliff of the tennis named Bitan. Perfection will adorn the wall to beautiful lake. Ensuring its centenary.
Bitan Bridge, about 100 meters, was built in the early 20s. Bitan across the water, standing in the Bitan River. This is a light Changhong flooding across the strait. A major local special size. Stand on the bridge and enjoy the beauty of Bitan. Decker leaves little boys. The Bitan Dakota Beaker Quest. This is historic tourist attraction for tourism. Xindian major tourist attractions.